Welcome back to Exposure. Last episode was about creation, about what happens when the creative steps into the light. This episode is about what happens after that, when the idea exists and you have to decide what to do with it.
This is where things usually get messy because inspiration is exciting, execution is uncomfortable.
Exactly. And this is where AI and coding quietly change everything. A lot of people think AI is about shortcuts or replacing creativity or making things soulless. That's not what we're seeing. What we're seeing is this. AI removes the delay between an idea and its first draft.
That gap is where most people get stuck.
Yes. Not because they lack talent, but because they don't know how to move an idea forward.
I want to pause on the word coding for a second because the moment people hear it, they switch off.
And they shouldn't. Because coding today doesn't mean sitting in a dark room writing lines of code. It means understanding systems, inputs, outputs, logic. If you can explain an idea clearly, you're already halfway there. Here's the shift we're seeing. In the past, creators needed teams, developers, editors, designers. Now, you need clarity. AI doesn't reward skill first, it rewards thinking.
That's a big distinction.
So let's break this down in a very real way. Creation becomes code when you ask better questions. Instead of what should I make, what you ask, what problem am I solving? Instead of how do I build this, you ask what does this need to do? That's how tools like AI assistants, no-code platforms, and automation actually become useful.
This podcast is a good example of that.
Exactly. This isn't just a podcast, it's a system. We're building for anyone. Conversations, workflows, content pipelines, learning loops. AI helps us test ideas quickly. Coding thinking helps us structure them. It's 2026, this is normal. Everyone has access to AI, everyone can have the tools. The difference isn't access, it is discernment. Knowing what to build, what to ignore, what adds value, what's just noise.
That's what separates creators from leaders.
If you're listening and thinking, I'm not technical enough for this, that's okay. You don't need to master everything, you just need to understand enough to make decisions. AI doesn't replace creativity, it protects it from getting stuck.
So, where does this take the podcast next?
Next, we start pulling back the curtain. We'll talk about tools we're actually using, what you are building, Wardell, what worked, what didn't, mistakes we've made, and what building with AI really looks like day to day. Not theory, not hype, real use. Creation starts with a feeling. Code gives it direction. And when those two work together, you stop waiting for permission. You start building.
If you've got an idea sitting quietly in the background,
this might be the episode that helps you move it forward. We'll see you next time.